whenever we give vaccine to a baby, they always ask some regarding some, they ask some scales. Okay. There is something known as, very importantly, NRS, something known as NRS, which is nothing but numeric rating scale, something known as NRS, and something known as VAS. VAS is visual analog scale. So Nelson book have written this, just the name you should know, these are the pain assessment tools. Okay. These are the pain assessment tools. So pain has an N. So basically you have the numeric rating scale. Remember that. And then we have the what is called visual assessment scale. So the numeric assessment scale is like a no pain 0 to worst pain 10. We have 0, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, 10. So if there's no pain, that is 0 scale. Then mild, moderate, more severe, severe, and worst pain is 10. So basically NRS, older children and teenagers are asked to rate their pain on the scale of 0 being the no pain and 10 being the worst pain. So this pain has an N. So numeric assessment scale, remember that you should know. And assessment has a S. So we have this visual S, visual analog scale. Visual as in nothing. Children's or is for this is visual is for children or teenagers, and this numeric assessment scale is for the kind of a bigger babies. So very importantly, the visual assessment scale, the children or teenagers are asked to move a mark along the 10 centimeter line to show their level of pain. The clinician measures the distance in centimeter from no pain to the worst pain. So this is a 10 centimeter line. How much you're marking like this or you're marking like this. So how you're marking depends on the your severity of the pain. So I'll say again, very importantly for the exam purpose, we have something known as pain assessment scale and something for the pain assessment scale. It would be a dedicated MCQ pain assessment scale. So we have the FACES pain scale, which is a revised FACES pain scale. And very importantly, this is a second one is the visual. See, one is the faces, and faces pain scale is according to the numeric number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then we have the visual analog scale. It is according to the centimeter, like scale, visual analog scale. There is one more scoring system known as FLAS scoring system. There is one more scoring system known as FLAS scoring system that also you should know. That FLAS scoring system, it is used for the pre-verbal, mechanically ventilated, or cognitively impaired patients. It is like basically it has 5 indicators. Again, we have 0, 1, and 2. And basically, 0 being the baby is like very happy, normal, and quiet and content, whereas 2 being the baby is very kicking, very rigid, and very inconsolable, or steady cry, or kind of baby is very pareshan. He's very stressed out. So number one, the scoring scale is FLAS scoring system, number one. Number two, very importantly, in this FLAS scoring system, we have this FLACNC. Face, legs, activity, cry, and consolability. Face, legs, activity, crying, and consolability. So this is something known as, very importantly, FLAS scoring system. So this is like a straightforward question. FLAS scoring system we have, and basically this is for the mechanically ventilated babies or cognitive impaired babies. These babies, we use this like face, all okay, no expression, occasional action or frequent action, legs normal, restless, kicking, activity quiet, tense or rigid or arched or jerking, and very importantly, cry, no cry. He moans with pain, kind of a. And in the Glasgow Coma scale, remember, okay, in V2, if the child is moans with pain, remember we give a number known as, that is nothing but V2. We give a number known as V2 if the child is moans with pain. Remember that. Okay, number one. Number two, very importantly, one more thing you should know, V2, and here also it is moans to pain. So here number one, and steady crying or very screaming and all that. So that is 2 number. Then consolability, he is content, he is consolable, and he is inconsolable. So that also done. So I'll repeat again, in the vaccine, whenever you give a vaccine and you have a pain scale, so they can ask this in an exam. This is one of the latest ones. That is why before even starting vaccine, I told you the pain scales. So remember, the pain assessment tools are number one, faces pain scale, face. Number two is visual analog scale, and then we have the FLAS scoring system.